Hey, good evening, San Pablo. Tonight we are going to read chapter 7 of The Wind in the Willows, The Piper at the Gates of Dawn. Rat had been visiting Otter. When he came back, late one midsummer evening, he told Mole all about it while the pair of them sat in the cool on the riverbank. "The baby otter, little Portly, is missing again," said Rat. "He's been missing for some days now, and the otters have hunted everywhere for him." "Otter told me that he's very anxious," Rat went on, "because little Portly can't swim very well yet. Otter's going to spend the night watching by the ford, because that's where young Portly had his first swimming lesson and where he caught his first fish. So Otter goes there every night and watches, just on the off chance, you know." Rat and Mole decided to get the boat out and paddle upstream. "It's better than going to bed and doing nothing," said Mole. They kept a good lookout for the baby otter, and when the moon came up, they could see much better. They scanned the river from bank to bank, looking in the meadows and quiet gardens as they passed. They searched all night long. They landed on the bank to explore the hedges, the hollow trees, the ditches. They heard a faint, musical piping. They went toward the sound, and it got louder and more distinct. I wonder what it could be. Suddenly they saw the piper smiling at them, his panpipes in one hand, and there was the baby otter nestling between his hooves, sleeping soundly. Then the sun rose, dazzling their eyes, and when they looked again, the vision of the piper had gone. Little Portly woke up with a joyous squeak. "There's the piper. Look, he's like a fawn. He's got the legs of a goat and some horns. Very peculiar." "Come along, Rat," called Mole. "Think of poor Otter waiting anxiously up there by the ford." So the two friends put the baby otter safely between them in the bottom of their boat and rowed up the river. There they were able to watch the joyous reunion between Otter and little Portly. How nice. This story is a little strange. And that's the end of chapter 7. Chapter 8 is called Toad's Adventures. And this is kind of where it gets really fun. Toad does some goofy stuff. But that chapter is a little long, so we're going to save that one for tomorrow. Until then, good night, guys.